Hello and welcome to the Catering Equipment Review Show. This week we're looking at Metline's range of Hygenikx air sterilisers. Before we crack on, as ever, if you haven't yet done so, do click subscribe and also click the bell to make sure you receive a notification every time we post a new video, which is most weeks. And if you want to start a conversation, please use the comments below. Let us know if you want us to do a review of a particular piece of kit, or if you've got a question about the kit we're reviewing in that video. We'd love to engage with you. In the age of coronavirus, sanitation has taken on new significance for most businesses, and Hygenikx's range of air sterilisers are definitely worth a look. These affordable machines take in air and use a clever process of sterilisation, which involves UV and a catalyzation process to destroy bacteria, smells and viruses. It runs 24/7 and only actually needs maintenance from you once a year. Hygenikx offer three different types of machines: for food prep areas, for general areas and for bin areas. The food and general models come in three different types based on the square footage they can comfortably sterilise, and that's 10 metres squared, 20 metres squared or 30 metres squared. The bin area model is designed for areas around about 15 metres squared. They're attached to the wall, they use a 13 amp plug, and that's about all you need to know. They filter and clean the air constantly. On top of killing viruses, and they are certified to kill corona family viruses such as SARS and MERS, these machines kill bacteria which can speed up the rotting process in food, which will extend its shelf life. It can also reduce bad odours as well. On top of these benefits, the machines are a constant reminder of a business's commitment to cleanliness and hygiene, which will reassure customers and your staff as well. These machines come in white plastic or a titanium finished plastic, but otherwise they look identical. However, there are significant differences between the different models, so do pay close attention to which one you're ordering. The machines work best when they're placed in an area which has good ventilation, and that's a good thing to remember. Maybe not have it in a very small room or a bedroom if you're in a care home. In conclusion, these machines are easy to install, they require virtually no maintenance, and they remove viruses, bacteria and odours from your premises without you having to intervene or do anything. They will reassure staff and customers, and with no moving parts, they're very dependable. They are affordable and they're effective, and they could be a brilliant buy. There you go.